In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error 1603 step by step, so you can get the Wix app installed and running without frustration. This error usually appears during installation and is commonly caused by leftover files, antivirus blocks, or system issues on Windows. The good news is that it's completely fixable using a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through each one in detail. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should do when facing Wix Error 1603 is restart your PC. I know this sounds basic, but it's actually one of the most effective fixes. Restarting clears temporary system processes, resets background services, and resolves conflicts that may be blocking the Wix installer. After your computer boots back up, don't open any unnecessary programs yet. Just move straight to the next step. Next, we need to remove any old or broken Wix installation from your system. This is extremely important because leftover files from a previous version are one of the most common causes of Error 1603. Open the Control Panel on your Windows PC, then go to Programs and Features. Look through the list and find anything related to Wix, such as Wix App or Wix Installer. Click on it and uninstall it completely. Once the uninstall process finishes, restart your PC again to make sure all changes are applied properly. After restarting, the next step is to check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software mistakenly blocks the Wix installer because it modifies system files during installation. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall before installing Wix again. If you don't want to disable it completely, you can add the Wix installer as an exception instead. This ensures that the installation process won't be interrupted or blocked halfway through. Now let's make sure you have enough disk space available. Wix requires sufficient free space to install correctly, and low disk space can trigger Error 1603. Open File Explorer, go to This PC, and check your main drive, usually the C drive. If space is low, delete unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, or uninstall programs you no longer use. Freeing up space helps the installer run smoothly without errors. Once that's done, it's time to download a fresh Wix installer. Do not reuse an old installer file, as it may be corrupted or outdated. Open your browser and go directly to the official Wix website. Download the latest version of the Wix app from there. After the download completes, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to install correctly on your system. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the installation finish without opening other apps in the background. In most cases, Wix Error 1603 should now be completely resolved, and the app will install successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Wix Error 1603 using simple, proven steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.